We had talked in class last time about using the journal Teaching Children Mathematics as a source to find problem-solving problems you could use for your project and present in class. So I wanted to show you how you could locate that journal within the UWG online library. So if I'm on my home page, I'll want to log into my UWG. I just happen to already be logged in. I usually find the library by searching for it. Now once I'm in there, rather than going through advanced search, the easiest way to find one specific journal that you know the name of is just to search journals. You know the title of it, you can just type it in. Just so happens I use this one often enough that it comes up. Teaching Children Mathematics is published by NCTM, and it's specifically for grades K through 5, teachers of grades K through 5. If you get a HelloGuest login for full access, you should be able to just click it, and it should use the same information to log you in there as well. I see it first in the list, and it'll come up several times. I'll ask for online access. Now that it's up, I could choose from any of these sources. I usually just choose the first one. There's really no need to sign in for more options. And you can see here I have access to most of the issues. Usually maybe the latest issue won't come up, but I have most of them. So I might just start looking through them, or I might choose a random issue. I'll just choose this one. So I look down here, it'll give me the table of contents. The articles are very good. For the problem solving task, you are specifically looking for an article with the title Problem Solvers. So you'll see features. Those are generally articles written that are practitioner based. Also very good. You might find something in there, but these are always oriented around a specific problem solving type problem. So I'll click into this one. This is the actual problem being proposed this month. This one goes over last month's problem and gives solutions to it. Now I have to download the PDF. And I'll see this one is about number puzzles. Looks like they're doing a development, further development on number puzzles that already exist. They're changing them up a little bit. It's a good number sense type exercise. So that has a good potential. So there are hundreds of these issues of this particular magazine you could look through. Many different types of problem-solving problems you could find from these. It's a great resource. So I'll let you explore with that.